Imagine standing before a car so rare that even seasoned collectors would cross continents for a glimpse. I'm talking about Japanese muscle cars, machines that blend performance with an aura of mystique. These aren't just vehicles, they're legends. Unlike their American counterparts, Japanese muscle cars offer a unique blend of precision engineering and sleek design, making them highly sought after yet incredibly elusive. Uncovering these automotive treasures is no simple task. Many are hidden away in private collections, stored in garages, or displayed in museums worldwide. The search involves sifting through rumors, connecting with fellow enthusiasts, and following leads that often lead to dead ends. Each discovery, however, brings a sense of accomplishment, revealing stories that have remained hidden for decades. Let's delve into the Nissan Fairlady Z432R. Produced between 1969 and 1973, approximately 420 units of this model were made. This variant was equipped with the S20 engine, the same power plant found in the Skyline GT-R of that era. The 432 designation signifies its 4 valves per cylinder, triple carburetors, and dual overhead camshafts. Its distinctive features, including a matte black hood and vibrant orange paint, set it apart, making it a coveted piece among collectors. Next, we have the Toyota 2000 GT, produced from 1967 to 1970, with only 351 units manufactured. Often regarded as Japan's first supercar, the 2000 GT featured a 2.0-liter inline-six engine and a sleek aerodynamic design. Its appearance in the James Bond film You Only Live Twice further cemented its iconic status. Today, the 2000 GT is a symbol of Japanese automotive excellence and is highly prized by collectors. Then there's the Nissan Skyline GT-R C110, affectionately known as the Kenmeri. Produced in 1973, only 197 units were made before production ceased due to the oil crisis. This model featured a 2.0-liter DOHC inline-six engine and distinctive styling that has made it a legend among enthusiasts. Its limited production run and unique design contribute to its rarity and desirability. The Mitsubishi Galant GTO, produced from 1970 to 1975, was Mitsubishi's entry into the muscle car arena. Inspired by American pony cars, the Galant GTO featured a long hood and a fastback design. It was available with various engines, including a 1.6-liter inline-4 and later a 2.0-liter inline-4, offering a blend of style and performance that appealed to enthusiasts of the era. The Mazda Cosmo Sport 110S, produced between 1967 and 1972, was Mazda's first rotary engine vehicle and the world's first mass-produced car with a twin-rotor engine. With only 1,176 units made, the Cosmo Sport featured a 982cc rotary engine producing 110 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds up to 115 miles per hour. Its futuristic design and innovative engineering make it a significant piece of automotive history. These Japanese muscle cars are more than just vehicles. They represent a pivotal era in automotive history when Japanese manufacturers showcased their ability to produce high-performance, stylish cars that could compete on the global stage. Each model tells a story of innovation, ambition, and a drive to push the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. Which of these legendary Japanese muscle cars would you add to your dream garage? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're passionate about rare and iconic vehicles, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of automotive history and uncover more hidden gems.